What's going on, guys? You know it's Muscle here from the Entertainment Report podcast, and this is another video here talking about this kingship between Beenie Man and Vybz Kartel. This argument just seems to be heating up more and more and more, and right now it looks like it's about to spill over into the US. Right now, Beenie Man is in the US. He got back his US visa after about 10 years. He's doing a press run. He was on the Drink Champs that will be coming out this Friday. He was also on another station in Miami. And when they spoke to him about Vybz Kartel being the king, this is what he said.
Talked about Vybz Kartel being the king of dancehall.
I got to face that every day.
That's a fact.
There we go.
I mean, just the way you came in.
Yeah.
Right off the back, no hesitation.
Yeah.
Just showing the versality, the lyrics right off the back. So
yes, there's no king without defeat. You got to defeat me. And yeah, I'm not arguing. If you defeat me, then you defeat me.
Listen, Beenie Man was also on the Drink Champs with Nori. Looks like it's going to be a wicked interview coming out this Saturday on YouTube. Right now, Vybz Kartel just put out a video that has everybody speculating that he just got back his US visa. This is what he said.
People, I'm telling you something. Say God is the greatest, yeah. I see faith, move mountains. I see teamwork, let the dream work. But never forget, all things you have to put God and do good. Believe me, I say.
So then, if it's true, and Kartel got back his US visa, this King War is actually going to spill over into the States now because Beenie Man is there. We're not sure when he's returning. And then Vybz Kartel is going to be there. But from what I'm hearing from some Vybz Kartel insiders is if he's gotten back his visa, he's going to be flying to LA and doing some business there, as well as attending the Grammys. And he's supposed to be doing some business with Live Nation. I don't know exactly what it is, but those are the speculations that I've heard so far coming out of the Vybz Kartel's insiders. You know those people that always know what's going on around Kartel. So then this is a question I have also. Beenie Man has his visa. We're speculating Vybz Kartel has his US visa now. Buja has his visa. So then what about Bounty Killer's visa and Popcaan? Popcaan has never been to the US ever in his entire career. And I'm speculating it has something to do with what happened in Bahamas in 2010, where him and a couple people got into a fight with a pilot. And you know, getting into a fight with a pilot is a super no-no. And I think that might be one of the main reasons why he hasn't been to the US yet. But that's just speculation. I'm not sure. But yeah, if Kartel is in, that gives hope for Bounty Killer's visa as well as Popcaan. And if you see if all of them are in US, it's going to be a different day for dancehall. Dancehall is supposed to be hot again, especially from the US side. You understand? So even with the speculation of Vybz Kartel's US visa now, if for some reason, yes, Kartel got back his visa, that means he'll be at the Grammys. That's February 2nd. He'll also get a chance to do a media run. And my speculation is Kartel will be on Drink Champs. He'll also be on The Breakfast Club, Hot 97. And if you know Vybz Kartel and the moves that he's been making, he will definitely pop up in either a magazine, on a show, or somewhere that you didn't really see coming. Because Kartel has definitely been maneuvering this entire situation from he's been out with exact precision. Kartel's moves has been nothing but flawless. Right now, dancehall is having its Drake versus Kendrick Lamar movement. And when I say Drake versus Kendrick Lamar, I'm saying like Beenie Man will be Drake and Vybz Kartel will be Kendrick Lamar. And when it comes to movements right now, I cannot lie to you guys, Vybz Kartel is outmaneuvering Beenie Man when it comes to movements, when it comes to media movements, placements, things you see and hear and stuff that's going on. Kartel is definitely in control. When you look at Freedom Street, just the stage setting alone, that was massive, well planned out, well thought out, and that was a statement piece. Even being on the Billboard magazine, the digital cover, that wasn't by accident. Those were moves that were well thought out and put together. And that's where I think Beenie Man is really lacking when it comes to movements right now. Because even Kartel, Vybz Kartel has Gaza Nation and dedicated bloggers to Vybz Kartel. Beenie Man doesn't have a nation, and he does not have bloggers that's dedicated to Beenie Man. So those moves right there again, Kartel is winning the look, how everything appears right now. Kartel is definitely has that. What I'm really wanting to see is Beenie Man and Vybz Kartel actually meet up in person, whether planned or by accident. I really want to know what would happen because the tension's been really building over social media. They've been throwing words, yes, some were more noticeable than others, but it hasn't been a all-out war. It's been a lot of subs by both camps, but no real all-out war. Yes, Beenie Man previewed a diss track, but it wasn't really a hey you Kartel. It was just saying things that if you know, you know. But what I really want to see is when they meet up live and in person, whether in the States or in Jamaica, because you know they're booked for Summer Jam Festival in Germany this year also. I'm not sure if it's the same nights or two different nights because it's a 3-day festival. But yes, they're going to be on that festival together. I don't know of anywhere else where they're going to be, but I definitely want to see what would happen when Beenie Man and Vybz Kartel connect live and in person. What do you think would happen? Mavado and Vybz Kartel together on one show in 2025 is going to be nothing short of madness. Listen, because the last time they clashed was 2008 at Sting. That's a whole almost, we're looking at almost a generation and a half that passed through dancehall. So people that would be attending a Vybz Kartel show and Mavado in the US, most likely they've never seen Vybz Kartel live one day ever. So that Vybz Kartel and Mavado synergy together is going to be crazy, next level. This is really what I want to see. What's going to happen? You leave your thoughts in the comments and let's talk down there because this right now is really heating up and it's eventually going to come to a bump. We just want to see what this bump is going to be. If Kartel is going to get back his US visa, is he going to win the Grammy? Is he going to meet Beenie Man somewhere in the States? Is him and Mavado going to go on a tour together? What's really going to happen? Dancehall is exciting again. What a time to be alive. Leave all your comments. Don't forget to like and share and make sure you subscribe because we have more videos coming up just now. Thank you for watching.